Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Enoch. It's Monday, March 30th, and today is day one of our 2-week enrichment period. I just wanted to post this video, kind of walk you through the directions, where to find things, and let you guys get working today. So first off, I want to let you know I have an update here posted with the directions written out in case you're wondering. That's in the update section. So we'll get started here. Go to the materials section. And for today, you can click on the enrichment material folder. And once you do that, you go to day one, which is Monday, March 30th. I have a general schedule for enrichment up here. You can look at that if you need to. I'm not going to focus on that. I'm going to focus on directions for day one. So for each day of the enrichment, I'm going to post directions like this to help you review. I'm also going to leave a video at the beginning of the day. So today will be about kind of dipping our feet into this online learning. So to start, all I'd like you guys to do is please, one, select something to read. So I've included a variety of resources in this folder. I'm actually going to go over how you can access some of those. You can also choose a book, magazine, short story, any other piece that you already own. You can always select a new piece throughout the week, but I would suggest it might be good or beneficial to use the same piece as we work through the different steps of the enrichment. Then I need you to please post to the discussion board. This is just to let me know what you're reading, what it's about, what the general idea of what you're going to be reading about, so I'm aware as you complete the different steps of the enrichment week. Then I'd like you today just read for 30 minutes. Having this piece read and reading throughout the week is going to help you conduct the activities. And then finally, and I think our class might have done this, we may not have yet, but I'd like you to write a 6-word memoir that kind of sums up the last few week in words. So down below, I've actually included my 6-word memoir, which is free time is difficult to manage. It's down here. And I've kind of noticed that over the past few weeks for me is that while free time is a very nice thing, there's a lot of benefits to it, it is difficult to manage at some points. All right, so if we go back to the day one folder, I just want to let you know I have posted all of those nonfiction articles that we read for the nonfiction unit. These are here for you to read throughout the week if you'd like. If you enjoyed those articles, there's a variety of different things to read. You can always use those. I just figured I'd post them because we didn't read all of them, so there'd be some new things for you guys to explore. The library was actually generous enough to offer us some resources. So under the library resources, there's actually a PDF here on how to access ebooks through the library. And our librarians are awesome. We're actually going to work with them when we get back into school on some things. But Destiny Discover will show you all the books that we have in our collection at the high school. So depending on the vendor, the user will be directed to check out books via the app that is appropriate. So there's a couple different apps. There's Destiny Discover, there's Sorrel, and there's JLG. So one, you do need to install the apps. They are in self-service of your iPad. If self-service isn't available from home, they can be found in the App Store. They are free apps, so if you have a device of your own, you can use that as well. You then need to go to Destiny Discover. In the upper right-hand corner, you click Log In. It's going to look like this. And you log in with your student's username and password. There's a section that shows just ebooks, and that's what you're going to be wanting to use because you're not really going to have access to the physical books this week. You can search for specific books, so if you know an author or a book that you want to see if it's in there. If you're just looking in general, make sure it says ebook, and then you can click open and check out. You might get prompted to sign in again. Please select Hempfield School District if you do, so that it knows that's where you're checking out from. And then once you click on borrow, you can be prompted to open the book in Sora if it's an Overdrive book. There's a blue bar at the bottom of the image. You can then open it. And Sora is just an app that allows you to read. And then once in the Sora app, you have to go to your shelf to see your checkouts. Click open book to read the book on their device. If the book is through Destiny Discover, then you'll need to click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left hand and go to checkout to access this book. Then click on open. So you see that menu here, checkouts, and then open. You can also stream ebooks through JLG. There's an unlimited number of readers on these, which is really nice. The book's are available for a period of time. Notification of the book is leaving soon appears in the upper left-hand corner of the book. So log in to using your own username and password. If you're logging into JLG for the first time from your home, use the common username and password. I will post that in Schoology. If you remember, we used that during our research paper period. I believe the username is HHSPA, and then the password is Knights1 with a capital K. So I'll post that somewhere so you guys have access to that. That's how you access the resources. Go back really quickly to the folder. After you found whatever you're going to read, please make sure you post to day one discussion. Just give me the name of the book, name of the author, genre, topic, and then how'd you find this piece? What do you like about it so far? And then finally, the 6-word memoir. Try to sum up your experience of the past few weeks within 6 words. I think that's a nice little writing piece to get us into the week. I'm excited for this week, guys. I hope you guys all are able to work through this at your own pace. I will say day one is a bit of light work just to kind of let you use the system, work through the course because it's going to look very similar every day. As we get further along the week, what I ask you to do with the enrichment activities will be a little bit more difficult, but I think that's good because you guys are all very smart and be able to handle it. So I hope you guys all have a good day. Thank you for watching the video and good luck. Remember, if you have any questions, please feel free to Schoology message me. I will be available pretty much most of the day. So have a good day.